Are the markets overvalued? Are they overpriced? Will 2025 end well, or will 2026 end very badly? I have no answer to these questions, but I can give you some numbers which shows where we are in the market. So I met some person who felt, Subra, 2025 has not been good for the market. The market has gone nowhere. And whenever I have nothing at stake with that person, I tend to agree, because arguing is very stressful, right? So I said, yeah, in 2025 market has gone nowhere. So here I thought I'll give you some data on what are the returns that people in the equity markets, just being in the BSE Sensex, have got over the last 10 years. 10 years is a reasonable period of time to cover. So let's say 2015 to 2025. So there is no UPA overlap or BJP. It is clearly BJP government, and 2015 is a good place to start, because BJP came to power in 2014. The market expected that they will come. So right from 2013, the market had started reacting to the potential BJP coming to power. So from 2015 to 2025, what have been the returns? So 2015 is one aberration where the returns was minus 5%, right? So 2016 was 1.8, 2017 was 28.2. 28.2 is way ahead of where the market's average would be, followed by 6.7 in 2018, 13.8 in 2019, then to 15.6 in 2020. Remember, 2020 is the COVID year. So it was 15.6, followed by 21.69 in 2021. Now, many of us who have been in the market since, say, 1979, 80, when the Sensex was formed, or even before that, for us this was unbelievable that it could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th year continuously of positive returns. But wait, the best is still to come. 2022, again, according to this CEO, the market went nowhere. You got 4.44. 2023, you got 16.86 on the back of all this, right? 16.86, followed by 8.17 in 2024, and plus 2.1 so far in 2025. Remember, this is just the Sensex. This is not the TRI. Right? Yeah, I don't think this is the TRI. This is not the TRI. So for the TRI, you will have to add a little, maybe 1%. So the 2015 return goes from minus 5.05 to 3%, to minus 3%, right? So if you add now, if you look at the TRI, for 2016, I mean, the numbers are from 2016 onwards: 4.4, 30.3, 4.6, 13.5, 16.1, 25.6, and 5.7 in 2022, followed by 21.3, 9.2, and 2025, 3.1. Believe me, I have not seen a longer bull run, right? I mean, we all saw 2002 to 2007, but that was 5 years. And then 2008, it took I think 2008 or 2009, it took a break. Then it came back. It came back very quickly, but yes, it did take a break. Here we have had a very, very long bull run. Now, what am I trying to say? The compounded CAGR for the BSE Sensex return from the start of 2015 to August 31st, 2025, which is about 10.5 years, 10.6 years, is 11.5%. Now, this 11.5% should be seen in the context that during this period, I don't have the year-wise breakup, but inflation has been about 4.2%. So 11.5 minus 4.2 is 7.3%. Believe me, it's a sensationally good return that we have got already from the equity market. So which means over the next 2-3 years, if the market gives you nothing, you still have to be grateful to the market for this such a long bull run. Your wealth has really grown. Anybody who had put in maybe 30, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs are all crorepati's today. Everybody is sitting on money. Everybody looks at their portfolio once in a while and says, oh, 6 crores has become 7 crores, 22 crores has become 24 crores. That is how people are reacting to their portfolio. This is on the retail side and on the asset managers or asset gatherers side. Every fund house has grown its AUM. The people have been rewarded very well. The salaries have gone up, bonuses have gone up. There is happiness all around. This is on the happy part. You come to the investment bankers and merchant bankers. So I recently heard of a story where they closed a deal for about raising 600 crores at a 6% fee. This is, I mean, I would think it is obnoxious, but anyway, it's a 6% fee. That is huge fees, right? So maybe it will be shared across. I mean, a lot of people will take part in it. It is not that if I signed 6%, 600 crores, I don't make 36 crores, right? The lawyers, the people drafting, then the advertising, printing, all those costs will be there, but 6% is huge. I think the story goes somewhat like this. A person comes in and says, I want to raise 300 crores. I think my company is worth 300 crores. The investment banker in 300 crores at 3% can make 9 crores. But he is not happy with 9 crores. He realizes that he can make much more. So he tells him, why 300? Your company is worth 600. I will sell it to you. I will sell it for you in the market. Let us just get the SEBI approval. And after that, we can work on the market. So 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, the auditor is changed, the reports are analyzed, new chartered accountants are appointed to do a due diligence. Everything happens, and they agree to a 6% fee simply because this guy who was expecting 300 is now going to get 600. 600 minus 6% is still greater than 300, right? So that is happening. So there is happiness in the investment banking side also, because everybody is making money. Everybody has been told that you cannot lose money if you put money in an IPO. Well, if people can believe whatever they want, right? So they believed it and they are putting in money. So all the IPOs are going full. The SIPs are doing well. So the AMCs are also trying to put money into every big OFS or IPO, or just simple selling by a promoter. Recently we saw Indigo ex-promoter leaving and going, or he left long ago. He sold some shares, just got absorbed in the market. The market didn't fall, right? Normally when such a huge quantity comes, the market is supposed to fall. It doesn't fall because there are enough people to hold Humpty Dumpty together again. So all this is happening. So in this market, if somebody tells you the market is not doing well, it is going nowhere, it's just one CIO or one CEO or one mutual fund distributor just cribbing about nothing. So they have something to crib about. I keep meeting a lot of MFDs and I tell them that even cows and buffaloes, when they're eating, once in a while they look up to God and say, thank you, God, for what you have done. I think the mutual fund industry, it is time we started looking up and thanking God for the kind of SIP inflows that is happening, the way the market is going up, the way everybody's portfolio is doing very well. If you've lost money in this decade, it's really a lost decade for you. Thank you.